Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to do a poem, Once I Saw a Little Bird. This poem is on page number 42. Okay, first you will write the date to the left side 16/7/21, and in the center you will write learn the poem. Learn the poem. This you will write. And underline obviously always with the help of ruler. Okay. Once I saw a little bird. What is the meaning of once? Meaning of once is only one time. Only one time. Once I saw a little bird. Who is saying this? This is saying this boy. This boy is saying once he saw a little bird. Okay. Now what he says in the poem, let's read. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Once again. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? This boy is saying he saw a bird once, a little bird he saw, and that bird came by hopping. Okay, not jumping. Jumping means very high jump. Hop means taking a short jump. Short jump is called hop. You try, sometimes you also try how to hop. You would have seen frogs hopping, है so like that. And donkeys also, sometimes when their legs are tied with the ropes and all, they hop. Rabbits hop. So just observe them how they jump. They take a very short jump. Okay, short jump is called hop. So a little bird came to his house, and it came hopping. Hop, 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 come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird. This boy says that he said very loudly. Cried means he shouted and he spoke very loudly. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? He cried to that bird that you stop, stop there where you are. Okay, once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried means I said very loudly, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? He cried, oh little bird, please stop, please stop, please stop. What he said? He said, oh little bird, please stop, please stop, please stop. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Now further he says, I was going to the window. This is the window. He says, I was going to the window to say, how do you do? To whom he wanted to say, how do you do? He wanted to say, how do you do, to that little bird. So he said, I was going to the window. I was going towards to the window to say to that bird, how are you? How do you do? But what happened? But he shook his little tail. Shook means shake. Shake, past tense is shook. So he moved his tail up and down, side and side, side to side and up and down. He moved his tail, and away, away, far away he flew. He did not listen to that boy. He shook his tail. He waved his tail. He moved his tail side by side, up and down, and he flew away, far away, far away he went. Okay, to a different place he went, he flew away from there. So once again we will read. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say to that bird, how do you do? How are you? But he shook his little tail, he moved his little tail, he waved his little tail, and away, far away he flew, he went off. Okay, So what are the new words you have read in this poem? You read bird, hop, stop and tail. Bird, hop, stop and tail. Okay, the bird flies out of the window. Read this. The bird flies out of the window. We must stop cutting trees. These are the sentences written here to read. Okay, just to read. Now, other things we will do in the live class. Okay, children. The question answers and all we will do in the live class, and I am going to give you copy work. We will meet again. Bye bye.